Welcome to our Ultimate 2025 DeWalt Tool Roundup. Today, we're exploring 30 of the coolest, newest tools every builder and DIY enthusiast must see. From power-packed saws to versatile accessories, these innovations will change your workshop game forever. The DeWalt FlexVolt circular saw brings unmatched power and versatility. Its cordless FlexVolt battery ensures longer runtime, while a brushless motor delivers clean, precise cuts through hardwood, plywood, and even thick decking. Lightweight and ergonomic, it's perfect for pro builders and DIY enthusiasts seeking efficiency without compromise. This brushless angle grinder packs high torque in a compact, durable design. Ideal for cutting, grinding, or polishing metal and masonry, it ensures long-lasting battery performance with minimal maintenance. With adjustable speed and a comfortable grip, tackling tough jobs has never been easier or safer. This rotary laser level guarantees precise alignment on any job site. With 360-degree coverage and self-leveling capabilities, it simplifies construction layouts, framing, and plumbing. Compact, durable, and easy to set up, this tool saves time and reduces measurement errors, making it a must-have for pros seeking ultimate accuracy. This 9-inch cutoff saw delivers raw power for fast, clean cuts in metal, pipe, and construction materials. Featuring a high-torque motor and rugged design, it stands up to daily job site use. Its ergonomic handle and safety features ensure comfort and control during every cut. Versatile and powerful, this combination hammer drills, chisels, and breaks concrete with ease. Its high-performance motor and anti-vibration design reduce fatigue, while multiple modes allow seamless switching between drilling and demolition. Perfect for professionals tackling heavy-duty construction projects efficiently. Achieve perfectly leveled concrete with this kit. Its durable motor and adjustable handles allow smooth, consistent finishing, speeding up large pours. Lightweight yet robust, it's ideal for both commercial and residential jobs, giving pro results with minimal effort. GRABO Lifter is a revolutionary tool for lifting and moving heavy, smooth surfaces. Its vacuum-powered design handles tiles, glass, and metal sheets safely, reducing strain and increasing productivity. Compact, portable, and durable, it's perfect for contractors or DIYers needing extra leverage. This DeWalt water pressure washer blasts away dirt, grime, and debris effortlessly. With adjustable pressure and powerful motor output, it's perfect for vehicles, patios, and construction cleanup. Lightweight, durable, and portable, it combines efficiency with convenience for both professional and home use. Cut pipes, metal, and wood effortlessly with this cordless bandsaw. Its brushless motor offers long runtime, while a lightweight design ensures maneuverability in tight spaces. Quick blade changes, precision cuts, and cordless convenience make it a must-have for professional workshops and mobile jobs. This cordless wet-dry vacuum delivers strong suction for both wet and dry debris. Compact yet powerful, it's perfect for cleaning job sites or workshops without the hassle of cords. Lightweight and durable, it ensures quick cleanup, maximizing efficiency and safety. Ideal for heavy-duty concrete drilling, this core bit set ensures smooth, precise holes. High-quality diamond tips enhance longevity, while the wet drilling system reduces dust and heat. Perfect for construction professionals who demand accuracy, durability, and speed. Keep your core drill bits organized with this durable holder kit. It prevents damage, speeds up workflow, and ensures every bit is within easy reach. Compact, sturdy, and job site ready, it's a small but essential accessory for efficiency and tool longevity. The impact driver delivers powerful torque for driving screws and bolts effortlessly. Its compact design allows easy access to tight spots, while a brushless motor ensures long battery life. Essential for framing, decking, and assembly, it's a must-have for pros and DIYers alike. This portable air compressor kit powers nailers, staplers, and inflatables with consistent pressure. Lightweight, quiet, and durable, it's ideal for job sites or home workshops. Quick connect fittings and adjustable controls make it versatile for any pneumatic tool. This handheld blower clears debris, dust, and leaves in seconds. Its lightweight design, variable speed, and ergonomic handle ensure comfort during extended use. Perfect for workshops, yards, and construction sites, it boosts efficiency with minimal effort. Illuminate your workspace with the DeWalt Area Light. High lumen output and adjustable brightness ensure maximum visibility. Durable, portable, and weather-resistant, it's perfect for early mornings, late evenings, or dark construction areas. This sander delivers smooth, swirl-free finishes on wood, metal, and plastic. Its dust collection system keeps your workspace clean, while ergonomic design reduces fatigue. Brushless motor technology ensures longer life and consistent performance for professional finishing. Keep cool with this compact, high-velocity fan. Lightweight and portable, it's perfect for workshops, garages, or outdoor job sites. Adjustable speeds and durable construction make it efficient, reliable, and ideal for hot, demanding work environments. Heat, shrink, or strip materials quickly with this cordless heat gun. Adjustable temperature and ergonomic design provide precise control. Portable, battery-powered, and durable, it's perfect for electrical, plumbing, or DIY projects on the move. Keep your tools organized and protected with this rugged modular toolbox. Stackable, durable, and portable, it's perfect for storing hand tools, power tools, and accessories. Weather-resistant construction ensures long-term protection on any job site. This concrete vibrator ensures smooth, bubble-free concrete surfaces. Ergonomic design reduces operator fatigue while improving efficiency. Essential for heavy pours, it enhances strength, durability, and professional quality finishes. Drive nails and staples effortlessly with this cordless XR nailer. Compact, lightweight, and battery-powered, it's ideal for framing, decking, or finishing projects. Precision, speed, and cordless freedom make it indispensable on any job site. Secure heavy loads with Pro Adhesive Anchors. Durable, strong, and easy to install, they're perfect for concrete, masonry, and construction applications. Ensure professional results and long-term safety with these high-quality anchors. These Undercut anchors deliver maximum holding strength for structural applications. Designed for concrete and masonry, they ensure reliable fastening in demanding construction projects. Durable, precise, and trusted by pros. Cut sheet metal, aluminum, and thin materials quickly with aviation snips. Comfortable grip, precise blades, and easy operation make them perfect for HVAC, roofing, or metalworking tasks. Smooth edges of cut pipes quickly with this deburring tool. Essential for plumbing, HVAC, or metalwork, it prevents damage, ensures proper fit, and speeds up assembly. Compact, durable, and easy to use. Cut plastic tubing cleanly and accurately with this compact cutter. Ergonomic handle ensures comfort, while sharp blades reduce effort. Ideal for plumbing, irrigation, and DIY projects requiring precision. Protect your eyes during cutting, drilling, or grinding. Lightweight, durable, and anti-fog, these protective glasses are essential for safety on any job site or workshop. Achieve precise torque control with this digital wrench. Easy-to-read display, durable design, and reliable accuracy make it perfect for automotive, construction, and mechanical applications. Drive nails into concrete and masonry effortlessly. Durable, powerful, and easy to handle, this tool saves time on heavy-duty fastening projects, ensuring secure and professional results. That's our complete lineup of the 30 coolest new DeWalt tools of 2025. Which one would you grab first? Comment below, like, and subscribe for more amazing tool reviews and pro tips every week.